Hi, I'm John Campbell. This is how to sample music bites and make music out of them. This is for my 21st century essay for my class Digital Media for the Artist at University of North Carolina School of the Arts.
What's up? I'm Zach. Today we're going to be exploring sampling and how to create music from sampling different audio files and distorting them, and using different effects to like recontextualize an old song and make it into a new song. So I'm using Logic Pro, which is it's like a digital audio workshop, and then a Korg MIDI controller so I can control everything and not have to use the actual computer to control what I'm doing. Today I'm gonna be sampling a song "Knocks Me Off My Feet" by Stevie Wonder. So what I'll do is I'll listen to the song. Usually what I'll do when I start sampling is I'll get a whole record and I'll listen to every song on that record and I'll try to find parts where I can sample from. And sometimes I'll just be sampling like one drum hit, and but sometimes I'll be sampling like voice or whatever. Now this is just like an MP3 file or MP4, and what it does when I'm gonna drag it to Logic Pro, and Logic Pro is gonna convert it to an AIF file, which is just like a WAV file sort of. And now I have what I want to sample on here, and I'm going to expand this so I can actually see what I'm doing. So here's the WAV file. So I wanted to take this, but I want to pitch it up. So what I'll use is an effect called pitch shifting, and basically what it does is it just shifts the wave sample up like however many semitones you want. So I want to do like maybe 7 to start out with, and let's see. So I'd say I want to take that first part, and it's that part, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the screen so I can see the wave sample better, and I want to find right where that starts. So it looks like it's right here, right where this wave sample picks up, and I'm just going to use it's like a scissors tool. Try to cut it as close to it where the wave sample starts as possible. So let's have. Alright, so I'll cut it right there, and then what I want to do is I want to export the audio file to just like wherever, like a location on my computer on the hard drive. So I'll just save it in here, and now Logic Pro has a bunch of samplers and synthesizers. I guess it's got probably so it's got about 15 different software instruments to choose from, and they're all like customizable. But what I want to use for this particular project is one. It's called Ultra Beat, which it's a drum sampler, but it's also good for like one-shot samples, which is like just triggering like a voice or whatever. and it's basically a sampler, but it's also got a drum synth right here, and it's got your basic synthesizer like features like an envelope, which filters out different frequencies, and like an LFO and oscillators and stuff, so you can make your own drum sounds. But what I'm going to be doing is using audio files to use the sounds. So now I have, and before we started filming, I chopped up a bunch of the song and just layered on different keys. And what I do to like recontextualize the song is I just look for different, like I just took like random elements of the song. So, let's see, now, once I figured out what I want to do with the sample and what I want the song to sound like, I'll basically just lay down